How secure is your digital fortress? Today, we fortify against the unseen enemy. Cyber threats lurk in shadows. Vulnerability assessment is your first defense. Nmap, the network mapper, is a key to unlock the visibility of your digital terrain. OpenVAS steps in, a thorough scan to pinpoint the chinks in your armor. Burp Suite weaves its web, testing for breaches with precision and depth. SSL Labs scrutinizes your certificates, ensuring encrypted communications stand strong. A VPN cloaks your presence, a digital veil against prying eyes in the cyber realm. Regular assessments transform your website into an impenetrable bastion. Cybersecurity is a journey, not a destination. Continuous learning is the key. Empower your team with knowledge. Share these practices for collective strength. Stay vigilant. Update systems. Outdated software is a hacker's playground. Passwords are the keys to your kingdom. Guard them with complex combinations. Educate to eradicate phishing. Awareness is the shield that deflects deception. Backup data, a lifeline in disaster. Secure copies are your safety net. Together, we build a safer digital world. Your actions today define our cyber tomorrow.